Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a different video than I would usually make, and don't worry, it's not an apology video or something. Today I'm building a PC. So here are the parts. First up we have the case. We got the Fantix Eclipse 360A white version. God, okay. The Fantix 360A. P360A actually. I'll fully unbox it later. We got the Core i7 12700F. Okay. Okay, there it is. 12700F. Okay, and then the cooler somehow comes out. There we go, okay. Comes with already applied thermal paste. Nice. Very nice. Okay, next up we have the two 8GB sticks of Viper Steel RAM. RGB version because it was on sale now. Okay, let's open this up. Oh yeah. What is this? A sticker? Ah yes, okay. Then we have this M.2 SSD, 500GB, the Crucial P5 Plus. Okay, there we go. For a single screw? Yeah, I know. Yeah, very nice. Okay, next we have this big chungus. GeForce RTX 2060 with 12GB of RAM, and this is also the overclockable version. I don't know why I got the overclockable version. I mean, I guess to overclock it, I don't know. I don't know why I chose the 2060, but I chose it because it was like the same price as like a 1660, I don't know. But it was like slightly better. So. Wow. Ooh, damn. Sheesh. God damn, okay. Okay. Warranty card, yada boring. I'll have to look at that later. Okay, let's open it. Oh yes. What was this? Oh no, fake PCR. Look at this, amazing man. Okay. Up next, we have the motherboard. Okay, it's another Asus product. I don't know. I didn't choose it on purpose because it's Asus, but yeah. It's for Intel 12th Gen. It's an Asus Prime B660 Plus motherboard. Okay, very nice. There's the I/O shield. Hopefully I don't forget to do that. The manual, yes. There's a CD. What is that? I don't know. Single-sided M.2 SSDs. I don't know what that is. I will not take it out because I'm afraid I might break it. I also have stolen some stuff from my old PC. We got a power supply, a ZM600GV, 120mm Cooler Master fan, a terabyte of hard drive, and a Intel 520 series SSD, 120GB. It's SATA, so it's kind of bad. There's a chance that I might have messed up when I bought these, but I'm pretty sure they were compatible because I've done extensive research. I'm building a PC is because my old PC was like breaking. First off, it started with the usual like video DDR failure or whatever, but then it just started getting worse, and there's like sys error or something, I don't know. So I decided instead of going to the shop to get it fixed, I would just get a new one. First thing to do is to plug my power supply into the wall because I didn't get a static wristband thingy or anything, so this is gonna have to do. I'm not sure. I'm not that good, so I don't know if that's gonna work or not, but hopefully I won't ruin everything. Okay, First thing is motherboard. The motherboard, put it on there. It's so big. Yeah, my old PC was like a mini ATX or something. I don't know, RTX or something. I don't know. I first have to unlock the CPU cage. Like that. Yep. I don't know, something like that. It should be. Well, it had. Yeah, these. Okay. Yep. Okay, something like that. Right, okay, and you put that down. Oh, there we go. It's off. Oh no, I think that's how it works, right? Okay, looks fine to me. Okay, right, anyways, okay. Next, let's put the fan on. Oh man, which way? CPU fan thingy goes. Oh, okay, I found it over there. So that if the CPU fan thingy goes over there, then we make it. Oh, well, you know what? Let's just do it this way. It doesn't really matter. It looks better when it's straight up. Oh man, okay. Oh god, why are these things so wonky? Somewhat in? Okay. Okay, what do I do? You push them down. Right, so yeah, I'll plug it in now. Yeah. Okay, cool, great. Now for RAM. This lovely RAM. Oh, that's how it works. Okay. Ooh. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, that part doesn't open. Okay. Right. Hey, Gibbon. Okay. Frick. Okay, is that in? Wow, that's a bit unusual. Okay. Next one. Ah, there we go. Ah, that's more like it. They seem to both be in fine. Okay, cool. Next, we have the video card. Okay, gotta take off this stuff first. Oh man, this is a huge upgrade from my old one. Okay. Oh, there's stuff on here as well. Very nice. First, there you go. Okay. Hang it off the edge. Let's go. Oh god, okay. Push. It's in. Okay. It looks so different from my old. Okay, let's connect the power supply. Because I want to do a run, a test. Okay, that's in. Do I need to plug in this? I do. Okay, I gotta go get my monitor. Okay, I set up the monitor. It's another Asus thingy, look man. Okay. Hopefully I've done everything. Hold on, I think I need to connect this actually. Never mind. Is that in? I don't know. Something like that. Okay, that's it finally. Okay, right, let's open the power supply. Right, on. Touch it now. We need to do the pins. Which pins are there? Pins. Is it this? Front panel, found it. Okay. Over here. Okay. Power switch, these two. Hold on. These two. It's working. It's green, it's working. Yes, let's go. Oh my god. American Mega Trends. 2021 version, let's go. Yeah, my old version is like 2012 or something, 2014. New CPU installed. No keyboard detect. Oh, I need a keyboard and a mouse. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I got it in. Look now, this setup is a bit screwed. F1 to run. Oh, it's not. Oh yes, yes. Okay, let's see. Motherboard temperature 26, CPU 27, 37. Oh, the CPU temperature is 40. That's okay. I'm gonna wait 1 more minute. As long as it doesn't go past like 45, we'll be fine. It's a hot day, by the way. That could be a reason why. Okay, it's been a little bit. It hasn't gone up 45 yet, so that's good. Let's leave. So the test is done. It's working. Nice. So next thing we do is just get rid of the GPU again. Okay. Then let's put the M.2, the crucial M.2 in. Oh yes. Oh yes. There. Put in there, right? Let's see. I'm gonna have to get rid of this. Bro. Okay. PCIe 4.0. Well, I'm not too sure if my SSD is a 4.0 PCIe. I think it could be, but remove. Okay. Okay. Time to put it in. Okay. Do I screw it in first? Oh, I actually don't know. Well, I'm gonna do it with this anyway. Oh, this is a bad idea. Scary stuff. So how does this work? Does it just... See, that's the... Okay. Okay, I did it. I think. Yeah, guys, I don't know. I'm just gonna pray it works. Let's put it into the PC now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this off now. Oh, okay. Alright. There we go. There is the lovely, beautiful case. Sheesh. Alright, okay. Do I take this off? I think I do. Damn. Okay. Alright. Oh, these are for like the 2.5 SSD, aren't they? Yes, okay, cool. But before that, let's put in the motherboard. Alright. So I'll put in the IO shield. Okay, let's see. Which way does this go? No? Oh, is that it? Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3 up top. Yeah. And then 1, 2, 3 in the middle. Yeah. And then 1, 2, 3 at the bottom. Yeah. That's it. Is that like the standard pattern on my other motherboard? It was not like that. It was way worse. It was like all over the place. That's it, right? Like it's actually in the right spots. Okay, I'm done. Let's put in the fan that I stole from my old PC in next, because why not? Hey guys, I've finished installing this fan. I can't really cable manage it. It's not long enough to like go through there and around, so there's not a lot of point anyways. Let's put in this disc. Disc? I don't know. What do I do? How do I do it? Screws on the sides. Which ones? The same ones we used on the motherboard. Will this work? I don't know. Okay, never mind that is. This is suspicious, but... Okay. Oh, hold on. No, okay, wait, hold on. There we go, see? Perfect. Time to wire it. Okay, wired. Not to the power supply though, but wired. It's time to do the hard drive. You unlock this, pulling these things, and then you just pull a hard drive in, alright? Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, slide it in. Bam. Connect it. Which connectors? Just this one again. And that. Okay. And then I go through here. Okay. Right. This is very interesting, guys. There's only this one thing over here. The rest all go like in different places. Like up here, like over here, and like over there. It's very interesting. Okay. On my old one is all of them had to go in here. Guys, I think it's time to put in the power supply. Okay, gotta unplug the SSD. Bam! Or something like that. Oh look. Bam! Ooh. Okay, I have to screw these in. Not supposed to be there. Okay. I think I'm gonna install the video card before I do the connecting. Okay guys, I think I finally did it. This thing took me so long to do. It's been like 28 minutes of me just doing lines and stuff. But yeah, alright, that's it. I'm gonna bring it over to my room now and plug it in and do stuff. Try run Windows. This is what we've been waiting for. 3, 2, 1, go. Hold on. There we go. Lights on. Now, this is what we've been waiting for. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. It's so quiet. There's no high pitch, it's low pitch. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh man. Oh yo. Whoa. Okay. Guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this Windows install works. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.